Developing tonight, reaction is pouring into the Supreme Court's landmark affirmative action decision. That decision 6-3, justices effectively voting to ban the consideration of race in college admissions. The majority said that admissions policies at Harvard University and the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. Justices ruled that institutions should instead focus on different ways of diversifying their student bodies.
Yeah, today Adam Bennett looks at what this means for colleges and universities in our state and what administrators at those schools are saying.
UT Austin is the only public university to consider race in its undergraduate admissions. The University of Houston Law Center does too. This afternoon, UH officials told me that graduate program no longer will because of the Supreme Court decision. UT officials say they'll be making necessary adjustments too. Meanwhile, several private universities, including here at Rice University, they will be impacted by this decision. The pace is slower during the summer at Rice University, but the response was swift to today's Supreme Court decision. President Reginald DeRoche and Provost Amy Dittmer said they are, quote, greatly disappointed. They vowed to remain committed by adapting their strategies, quote, with great respect for legal boundaries.
You can't have equality until there's diversity.
Martin Levy is a professor at TSU's law school, the most diverse in the country.
I would not anticipate our law school will be affected. Other state law schools and private law schools for funding, yeah.
Over at Prairie View A&M, Dr. Marco Robinson believes the ruling will have a wide impact on higher education.
That presupposes now that everybody is on equal footing, everyone has the same opportunities, and we know that that's not true.
Currently, high school students who graduate in the top 10% of their class are automatically admitted to all Texas public universities. That threshold is 6% at UT Austin because they get so many applicants. Until today, 25% of UT Austin students were admitted through a holistic process considering several factors, including race.
That was Adam Bennett reporting. The Top 10% law was designed to increase diversity on college campuses when affirmative action was temporarily blocked. But it's gotten pushback from some students and parents in competitive suburban high schools. They argue it's harder to graduate in the top 10% at those campuses.